Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity AI. So let's get straight into it. Now, first thing what you need to do, you need to create yourself an account. Now, rather than using keyword, now you will see here this main web page here. So here on the left side, you will see some history and then we have some menus. So here you can create new thread is basically new chat. Then we have history, discover. Then we have here spaces. So finances, we have health also. So here is a join wait list, obviously. So then we have more of that. So academic patterns, skills, and then use cases, and so on. Now, rather than using keywords like a traditional search engine, treat Perplexity like a research intern. So, for example, use full sentences with specific constraints. So, let's say, summarize top electric vehicle trends in 2026 using only government sources. So if I type like in right here, then what we are going to do is also then click here on the plus button here in this bottom left, add files or tools. Now let's head over to the connector and sources, and then right here you will see we can select academic, Gmail with health, social, and so on. Now we can select academic, restrict sources to peer-reviewed papers and scholarly journals. You have web, also some health, social, and so on. Now we have also some advanced research modes. So right here under the modes, we can select Sonar, Cloud Sonnet, Cloud Opus, and so on. And when you are done with that, just click here, submit, and now this will start to work and searching on the web. Now you can also create yourself a project. So you can create project specific folder. You can upload local files, then set custom instruction. These instruction apply to every search in that space. So you can instantly convert any research thread into a polished, shareable web page with heading, visual, and preserved citations. So if we go right here to the spaces on the left, and now here we can create new spaces. And this is what I talked about with you just seconds ago. Yeah, and this is pretty much how you can use this Perplexity. So you can play around with it a little bit. Now you can upgrade your plan here. So if you have personal, education, or business, so let's say for personal use this is the most popular, so $17 a month, or you have here $167 a month, and you get a little automated complex task with 10,000 monthly and 35,000 bonus credits for Perplexity Computer. And yeah, this is pretty much everything how you can use it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next